How to schedule posts on Facebook pages. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on your Facebook page. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on Pages and select the page where you want to schedule a post. Tap on Create Post at the top. Now write your post. Add text, photos, or anything you want to include. Once your post is ready, tap on Next or the arrow icon in the top right corner. Now look for the Scheduling option. Tap on Scheduling Options or Schedule for Later. Pick the date and time you want the post to go live. After that, tap on Schedule in the top right. And that's it. Your post is now scheduled and will publish automatically at the time you selected. And here you can see the notification that your post is scheduled. In this way, you can easily schedule a post on Facebook page. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips from. See you in the next one.